you can start deepening your breath. And on the inhale, maybe you sweep your arms up and then exhale your arms down. And we'll just do a few of those. If you would like to bring in a little bit of ujjayi breath, you might bring that slight constriction into the back of your throat so that you can hear your breath as you're moving. And each time you inhale, moving at your own pace, of course, think about pressing your feet down and stretching your arms up to whatever degree they're going up, stretching them away from your body. And you might continue like this, or maybe the next time you inhale, you try bending your knees and then lifting up as you bring your arms up. And one more thing that you might try to add on is the next time your arms are up in the air and you're ready to bring them down, maybe you fold forward, coming into whatever version of forward fold is going to work for you today, whether that's bending all the way over or maybe coming into a flat back, resting your forearms on top of your knees. And you might pause in your forward fold. Maybe you hold on to opposite elbow with opposite hands. And just notice what your forward fold feels like today. You might move around a little. And as you're ready, if rolling up works for you, start to roll up. So maybe bend through your knees. And if rolling up does not work for you, you can come up with a flat back. But if you're rolling up, do it slowly. Maybe at the top, you squeeze your hands together or press them together in Anjali Mudra. Make sure you're not dizzy. And then on your inhale, sweep your arms up and try that again. And this time you might stay in your forward fold, but you might also, when you get to the bottom of it, right away, bend your knees and roll up or come up with a flat back again. Your choice. So you might be moving, doing these reps, reaching up, folding forward, and then rolling up. Or you might be hanging out in your forward fold, spending some time there before you then come up again. Take just a few moments to really explore this on your own, at your own pace. Really starting to see, how is your body feeling today? What is a useful point of focus for you so you can keep your mind as uncluttered as possible? And take your time coming back to mountain pose. You might pause, maybe turning your palms forward, and then take one really, really deep inhale and sigh it out.